Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the latest version of MySQL Server, Workbench and Shell on a Windows operating system and run MySQL programs. So let's get started. So go to your browser and search for MySQL by typing in MySQL and hit enter. Click on the link from mysql.com. This opens up the official site of MySQL. Now click on downloads and scroll all the way down to MySQL community downloads. And click on it. Here click on MySQL installer for Windows. On this page, we have the latest version of MySQL for Windows, and you can see that we have two download options. One for the web community and another for community, which is the one with a bigger size. So go for the community version and click on download. This asks you if you want to sign up or sign in. So simply click on no thanks, just start my download. This starts downloading the installer. Wait for some time till it's finished downloading. Once the download is finished, click on the installer to start the installation process. Click on yes on the admin privilege and it continues installing. Here on the setup type, select custom to customize the products and click on next. Now on the select products page, expand MySQL Server, again expand, and select this MySQL Server and click on this arrow to get it in the products to be installed list. Now click on application, expand this MySQL Workbench, again expand and select the MySQL Workbench here and click again on the arrow. Finally, click on this MySQL shell and select the shell and click on the arrow to add it to the list. So now we have all the three products to be installed. So click next, then click on execute to install these products. Once the installation of the product is complete, click on next. On the product configuration page, simply click on next. Here on the type and networking, everything looks fine, so click on next. Now on the authentication method, use a strong password is recommended, so check it and simply click next. Here we need to set a password. So use a strong password or you can use mine. Repeat the password and simply click on next. Here on the Windows service, everything looks fine. So simply click on next. Server file permission. This is checked. Yes, grant full access. So that's fine. Click on next. Here to apply the configuration we have selected, simply click on execute and wait for a couple of seconds to finish applying the configuration. Once the configuration for MySQL Server is completed, simply click on finish. Then simply click next and you can see that the installation is complete. So click on finish. This launches the MySQL shell and MySQL Workbench. Close the shell and Workbench for now, and we will come back in later. Now let's add the path of the MySQL server to the system environment variable so that our system knows it. So simply go to your C drive, then program files, look for MySQL and click on it. Then MySQL Server 8.0, click on bin, and here copy the path. Now go to your taskbar and type in environment to open the environment variables. Click on edit environment variables here, and on the system variables click on path, then new, and paste the path that we copied. Here click on OK, again OK, and then OK. Now let's check our MySQL on our system. So go to your taskbar and type in cmd to open command prompt. Here on the terminal type in MySQL space -- version and hit enter. You can see that the latest version of MySQL is correctly installed in our system. Now let's write some MySQL commands and interact with MySQL codes. So here type in MySQL space -u space root space -p. U is for the user and P is for password, and hit enter. It says enter password, so type in that same password you set up during the installation and hit enter. This takes you to the MySQL Server terminal where you can write codes. So let's see available database. So type in the code show databases and hit enter. You can see that we have this available database. Now let's create our own database. So simply type in create database, let's say KarimDB or whatever the name of your database is, and hit enter. So type in the code show databases and hit enter. So our new database KarimDB is correctly shown here. Alright, you are now all set to interact with MySQL Server. So let's now open the MySQL Workbench and configure it. Here on the MySQL connections, click on the plus icon to start a new connection. On the connection name, type in new and click on test connection. Enter your password and click on OK. The connection is made successfully. So click on OK, again OK. Now if you click on this new connection, it takes you to the Workbench interface where you can start coding MySQL. Alright, you are now all set to use MySQL Server, Workbench and Shell. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.